Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be sharing my new Nutcracker Junk Journals that I've made with Dollar Tree greeting cards. I will have a tutorial on how I made these, so be on the lookout for that. But I wanted to share these. They're up in my Etsy shop now, and there's two available. They're one signature traveler's notebook style. They're about 4 by 9 inches, and they include a fun tassel on the side. There's a really cute card cover, and then we'll just go ahead and open it up here. On the inside, I made a belly band with some scrapbook paper and then altered a paint chip card. There's sewing throughout, all kinds of belly bands, tuck spots, things like that. I printed out some Nutcracker music sheets there. I included lots of ephemera. There's 2 altered paper clips and some vintage ephemera as well. There's vintage Nutcracker book pages in here, some ledger paper. I sewed on some fun laces and trims on the side. I dyed a Nutcracker there, as you could see in that little belly band. It's a little paper pieced Nutcracker that you can add on a page. There are lined papers in here. The paper pad that I used was the Holiday Ballet from Michaels a couple years back, I believe. And so it's just a really fun paper pad. So I used that throughout the book. That is a green envelope there, and I altered the bingo card. I added the little Nutcracker at the bottom. And then on that next page, I sewed on some fun sort of pom-pom trim on there, and then there's a belly band. I had some Nutcracker gift wrap that I included in this book. And there is another Nutcracker book page. Another paper clip that has a vintage playing card, yes, and then a journaling card. And then there is the other side of that green envelope. So there's a little tuck spot there. On that page, I sewed on some fun red velvet ribbon. And that is a little mini tag there that I attached to a lunch sack. On this page, I have a belly band sewn, and then that image of Marie holding up the Nutcracker. And then that is another Nutcracker book page. I had some Nutcracker fabric there, so I sewed on a little secret flap. And then this is the last page, and it has a really cute little picture of Santa holding a Nutcracker. And then the inside cover has a little pocket and an altered paint chip card tag. And then there is the back. And so now I'll just go into doing a quick flip through. That was Nutcracker Journal number 1, and then the next will be Nutcracker Journal number 2, and we'll just do a quick flip through of that one.